Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your password on OpenArt. So actually guys, first you will need to log into your OpenArt account, of course, then just click your profile icon that's located at the top right corner. Okay, so right here you will need to go with a view profile. So inside that you will need to click on manage accounts option that you can simply find it right here below. Okay, so it's the third option, manage account. So once you click it right here, you will be able to see your account infos. So for me, that's my Gmail. This is the name and that's the username. Okay, even you can add a bio, and under the email you can find the password section. Okay, so I registered my account by going with the Google login or sign up method. So I can't normally see the password section right here. If you used your email plus the password method, you should see the password section just right away. Okay, so just enter your current password and your new password, then just click on save and updates, and this follows the standard process used on most platforms. So just go to the settings, enter the old plus the new password, then just confirm the changes. And of course, if you forgot your password, you will need just go to the OpenArt login page, and right there you will find an option, something like forgot password question, and just enter your email and click your inbox for the reset code and link and create a new password. So OpenArt has a reset page where you submit your email to receive a reset code. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.